In front of me I have Fossil Q Wonder, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. Let's start by waking up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen on your watch, swipe downwards from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. And here we have the Do Not Disturb mode icon, the one in the middle. To enable the mode, simply tap on this icon. As you can see, it says Do Not Disturb mode enabled. You can tell by the icon changing the, it's basically highlighted and it's not crossed out. It looks like this. And also you can tell by this icon right here on the watch face, on the home screen at the top. It might be barely visible because the icon is white and the background is also whitish, but it's here. And to disable the Do Not Disturb mode, simply open the quick panel again and tap on this icon again. As you can see, it says Do Not Disturb mode disabled. This icon changes to gray and it's crossed out, and also this icon right here disappears. And that's how you enable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.